Okay guys, let's go to America. All my life. All my life. Without a doubt I give you all my life. Now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all that's there. This changing world can offer, and so I sing. I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time. Okay, the song has no intro, so we go to our first verse. The first 4 lines just strum down, and then up, down, down, because we have, and then F. Okay, you have to pause. Okay, and then the fourth, the fifth, and up to the 8 lines, you can strum. All that change, this changing world can offer, and so I sing. I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. So the strumming pattern is down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So 7. But for the last chord F major 7, only 5. Spanish day with you. The 2 downs are for the B chord. Okay, so and then refrain. Right? There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun did shine. Started on my way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time. But then I choose to let all alone. I would have passed away. I would have passed away. I would have passed away. Okay, so the refrain, same strumming. And for the last 3 lines, strum down, pause, and then up, down, up. I would have passed away, pause, up, down. I would have passed away, pause, up, down, down, and then A. Okay, so now we go to our ad-lib. All my life. Okay, we go back to our ad-lib. Ad-lib is E. Strum down, up, and then first fret, second string, twice, and then second fret, and then open second string, and then B minor 7, strum down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and then E minor, A on the 5th fret, strum down, up, and then 7th fret on 4th string, twice, slide to 9, and then 5th fret on 3rd string, and then A minor. A minor, strum down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Okay, and then we go to A minor, G minor 7, G sharp minor 7, down, up, and then 6th fret on 4th string, slide to 7th, and then 4th fret on 3rd string. One more time, hammer. So and then 4th fret, 4th string, twice, and then 6th fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string. So hammer 1, and then back to 2nd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, back to 4th fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, and then B7. Okay, so that's it for ad-lib. So after ad-lib, we repeat refrain except for the last 3 lines. So there was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and the sun did shine. I started on my way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I choose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. 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 I wanted this all my life. Okay, so that's it. For the last 3 lines, just strum, pause, and then up, down, 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 down once, and then pause, up, down, down, and then, okay. And then for the last part, I want this all my life. I wanted this all my life. Okay, so that's it, guys. So, here's your lyrics and chords. So, see? Okay, now you're for the ad-lib. Your top for the ad-lib. Okay? Okay, now we go to our next song. Okay, so don't forget to click closed captions for subtitles, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. You can like, you can share, you can comment, make a request, Okay? And don't forget to click the notification bell. Okay, have a good day, guys. Round here, in my place, it's raining. Hope it's a good weather on your part. Okay, so see you next time.